What's up, guys? In this video I'm going to show you how to create YouTube thumbnails using Google Gemini, Nano Banana and ChatGPT 5. Let's see which model gives us the most appropriate result based on the contents. Without further ado, let's get started. Alright, guys, all the tabs are open on my Chrome web browser. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask DeepSeek to create a prompt for me, and I'm going to upload that prompt to Google Gemini, Nano Banana, and what you call ChatGPT image generator. Okay. So first of all, I'm going to ask DeepSeek to create a prompt for me so that I can upload onto ChatGPT and Google Gemini. I could have created the prompt using either of the ChatGPT or Gemini. So I just want to avoid the conflict of interest so that the model can learn what I'm expecting. So I'm going to fully isolate AI model. I'm going to use DeepSeek to create the prompt for me. Okay. Create a YouTube thumbnail creation prompt. YouTube thumbnail creation prompt to upload and upload image as a box. The video is about the video is about bootstrapping using ChatGPT, Selenium, and the lab. The website is keys.com. Let's see what DeepSeek tells us. So, okay, create a modern thumbnail, eye-catching YouTube thumbnail for YouTube. Web scraping with ChatGPT. Use my provided photo as main image. Design layout, speed, composition with my photo. Right, okay. Why not? Okay, one thing I want is I just don't mention the model names like ChatGPT or Nano Banana. Okay, so I'm going to copy this eye-catching thumbnail for YouTube channel. Okay, I'm going to copy this prompt and I'm going to paste it over here on the Gemini. But one thing I wanted to change over here is this. I'm not sure about what the heck that is, the Chinese language. And text overlay should be web scraping AI does everything. That's what I want to mention. Alright. And also that's all, guys. So I'm going to use the Nano Banana tool over here. Okay, on the Gemini, and I'm going to use the same. I see. ChatGPT window over here, and I'm selected the image. So I'm going to attach the image now. Let's see, attach photos and files. So I have this thumbnail image that I am thinking of, my beautiful image. And attach a file. Okay, thumbnail image. Okay, let's see. So okay, create a model. Okay, all good. I'm going to hit enter on the ChatGPT window and Nano Banana both. Let's see how both do their magics. The Nano Banana, I think ChatGPT seems very fast. Let's see who get us the most appropriate thumbnail. I mean, guys, you don't need to do it. Oh my gosh, I don't really like the Nano Banana image. So if you see, this is not me. This is the bulk version of me. Oh, I really like the ChatGPT one. You see, the image seems promising for me, like it's really look like me. But one thing I noticed, like the text overlay, the web part is missing some part of the words. The letters are missing, so I think that can be fixable. I mean, this is not me, guys. This is me. Alright, and thumbs down for the Google Gemini, Nano Banana, and thumbs up for the ChatGPT. Alright, I'm going to type on the ChatGPT window. The text overlay is missing the full words. The real website is feelsuper.com. I'm going to type on the Nano Banana. This is not new on the image. It is my original posture. Let's see how it does my thing. I think it is giving me the same image as before. But anyway, it is better than the Gemini. But let's see how it generated after this second prompt I publish on the Gemini. Okay, it's loading. I mean, guys, in 2026, you don't want to create thumbnail using any other kind of software. There are plenty of AI tools available. I highly recommend you guys to use them rather than doing it manually. in all way. Still, it looks good, but I don't like my face over here. I'm not sure why, but why not? Let me know in the comments, guys. What do you think about the Google Gemini and ChatGPT thumbnail creations? Is there any other tools available? Put in the comment section. Bye.